Alright, I'm about to make this dope set of sterling silver nails for Julien. Let's go. What's up, team? I appreciate you for clicking on this video. That's super dope. If you're new here, I'll say it now. It makes me feel weird to do the whole like and subscribe thing, but at the end of the day, I do want more people to watch my videos. So if you will give me a chance, go ahead and like this video and subscribe. And then if you get sick of me later, you can abort the mission. My name is Willie Love, and I'm pretty much, I think, the luckiest person in the world. Not only because you're here now, but I make jewelry. I'm not educated at all in the field. I've just kind of stumbled my way through trying to figure out how to make stuff, and this whole nails thing has worked out. So today I have the privilege of working on a project where I make some nails for the kind and lovable Julien Solomita. If you don't know who he is, he's a streamer, and he's just a cool guy. So I've got his hand cast here, which I've had for a minute. Nice to meet you, sir. And yeah, I figured it'd be fitting to wear the shirt he sent me. He literally only sent it as packaging, like cushion, to send it with the cast, but I'm gonna pretend it was a gift. I've had his cast for a minute now because I made him wait like everybody else, but now it is time. Let's get started. There we go, these are all cleaned up. I've got to make them more manageable and give them flat spots on the bottom so they don't roll around. There's all those. One down. Great fit. There is all 5 of those. Very nice. Good day's work. We're off to a solid start with this project. Got those 5 formed and fitted, and tomorrow is going to be more fun stuff. We're going to actually do a dripper nail, and we're going to get ready to do some engraving also. So see you tomorrow. New shirt. Good morning. Let's get after it. So today I'm going to start doing dripper, kind of like that one right there. It's going to be on the thumbnail. Pretty stoked to do this one, so that's where we're starting today. Keep it exciting. That's generally good. I'm gonna go a little extra and see if I can make the top area look sinewy as well. I haven't done that before, but see what it looks like. I'm gonna start off with a fresh blade. Sweet. Okay, these little spots up here could have been a mistake. Might have to restart, but let's see. Nah, looks like we're gonna be fine. I was in the zone and my camera stopped recording, so sorry about that. Anyways, it turned out that's the idea, man. Okay, we got the dripper all good to go, and then there's these 3 that still have to be finished. This one I did. This is the middle finger. I'm gonna do an engraving on it. So yeah, another solid day. We're gonna do that engraving tomorrow, which means we're starting off playing with the laser. Super exciting. Much love. Good afternoon. I've lost most of the day doing regular human stuff, but I'm ready to lock in and get this engraving going. Okay, so first things first, we need to get this thing laid out. This is a pretty simple engraving, but the simpler it is, the more important it is that it's exactly how somebody wants it. So he wanted his crown done on it. I went and found a picture of it, and we're going to use that to zap a outline onto the nail. Start by getting rid of all this extra stuff. Very good. This doesn't have to be perfect, but once it's zapped into the metal, I'll be able to make straight cuts. Cool, there's that. Okay, framing looks pretty good. Alright, made it a little bigger. If you think I did a good job on this video, let me know. Let me know how I can improve. Please like and subscribe because I only intend to get better and raise the bar every chance I get. So, much love. It's another day. The job is handled. I really enjoy sharing all this kind of stuff, and I'm just stoked to have a place to put it out there. So, thank you so much for watching it. I'm pumped. Let's go.